Knowledge justifies authority. The KJA Global Channel. Lighting up the world, one mind at a time. Series 6. Rights in action, freedom, belonging, and livelihood. The rights that let a life unfold. Episode 99. Freedom of conscience, the inviolable inner world. There is one place no government, no army, and no law has ever truly conquered. The inside of a human mind. They can compel your words, they can never compel your belief. That sealed room is where freedom is born.
Freedom of thought, conscience, and religion is, in a sense, the first freedom, the one from which the others grow. It is also widely misunderstood because it actually contains two very different things: an absolute freedom to believe and a bounded freedom to act on what you believe. Knowing the difference is the key to defending it wisely.
First, the inner freedom. And it is absolute the right to hold a belief, to change it, to doubt, to reject, to embrace a faith or none at all. Lives in a space the book calls inviolable. No authority may force you to believe, punish you for your beliefs, or compel you to renounce them. This is sometimes called the forum of conscience, and it admits no exceptions.
There is no emergency, no security claim, no public interests that justifies a state reaching into a person's mind to dictate what they may think.
The moment power claims the right to control belief itself, it has stopped governing citizens and started manufacturing subjects.
Second, the outer freedom. The right to manifest belief in worship, teaching, practice, and observance.
This freedom is real and protected, but unlike the inner freedom,
it is not unlimited. Acting on belief takes place in a shared world, alongside others who hold different beliefs.
So the manifestation of conscience may be limited, but only narrowly, only by law, and only to protect the genuine rights and safety of others.
Never merely to suppress a faith that those in power dislike.
The line is precise.
Belief is untouchable.
The expression of belief is free, bounded only by the equal rights of everyone else. A just order guards the first absolutely in limits, the second only with great reluctance and clear justification. You can see why this distinction protects everyone. A regime that punishes people for converting, that forces a single belief on all, that treats doubt as a crime.
That regime has invaded the inner sanctuary, and there is no excuse for it.
But a society that lets every conscience act without any limit at all
would let the strong impose their practices on the weak in the name of belief.
The wise path honors the absolute right to believe, while ensuring that no one's expression of faith becomes another's oppression.
Freedom of conscience is not the freedom to coerce others' consciences. It is the guarantee that no one's conscience may be coerced, including theirs.
This matters because the freedom to think for yourself is the root of every other freedom. A people who may not believe freely cannot speak freely, vote freely, or live freely. They are governed all the way down to their thoughts.
Conscience is where the human being is most truly themselves, and a society that protects that inner sanctuary has accepted the deepest principle of human dignity.
That a person is an end in themselves, not a mind to be programmed by the state.
Here is the tool.
When you assess any restriction touching belief, sort it into the two boxes. Is power trying to control what people think and believe?
Then it is illegitimate.
Full stop, no exceptions. Is it limiting how belief is acted out?
And only to protect the real rights of others, narrowly and lawfully.
Then it may be just confusing these two. Is how regimes disguise thought control as public order.
Keep them separate, and you keep the inner world free.
The
freedom to believe is the one freedom that can never be surrendered.
Because it is the seat of the self-guard. And let us keep the inner world inviolable.
This is KJA. Responsibility protects humanity.